I'm the rhinoceros. My rhymes are preposterous.
Atrocious.
Atrocious.
Yeah. Today we're gonna do a treasure hunt. It's Te Wiki o Te Reo Maori week. And so I've got all these things that are written in Maori. And all these things you can find in the office. There's one action. No, there's one action one in there. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Cannot Google. That's the only rules. You cannot Google.
But do we take a photo? Here's a pear. That's mine.
No, this is my pear.
No, but it's by my phone.
I ate it. Taylor, you run.
Okay.
What's the matter? Hoha! You winning, Bobby? Yeah.
That's the one.
Books in there.
Oh, coffee. That's coffee.
Let's see. Honey tomorrow.
Yeah, so this is our Te Wiki o Te Reo moment that we signed up for to take part with the rest of Aotearoa.
Are you cheating?
No, I'm trying to
Cheat.
I'm not.
What happened to your pear, Bob?
I already started eating it.
Nom.
It was nom nom.
What's that? Can we have that?
First one. Did anyone take a selfie? Woo!
Oh no, I didn't.
Oh, good. I did too. I'm in there.
Half a point.
Second one. Everyone's got one. It is your.
Look, I put it on there.
Your cell phone.
What is it? Say it.
Waya pūkoro.
Waia pūkoro.
Yeah.
Mustahe. Say it in Maori.
Tapu.
Pen.
What kind of pen?
I don't know.
Felt tip pen.
Yeah!
Say the Maori word.
Pene bito.
Who's the pune around here?
Swan.
Tail.
I'm the pune. I said, who's the pune around here?
What does that mean? I don't know what it means.
Spoon.
Oh.
Tepa whakapiri. Sellotape.
I knew what it was. Can I?
Yes, yes. I knew you knew what it was, that's why I put it in there.
You're such a gracious loser, one.
Nah. And the last one.
Eat it now.
Say it, say the last one.
Honey.
Honey. Honey.
Yeah.
Honey.
Last one's honey.
Sounds like something else.
Honey.
I have pen.
No, it's honey.
Honey.
Do you like honey?
Sometimes not.
I think that's such a good effort considering we're Samoans.
But did you get honey? No. We're gonna know. That's good.
It's not in the office thing.
Who's honey? What do I win?
You get to you get to bring the honey tomorrow.
It's a great moment.
Our Māori language moments.
Sure is.
Ka pai.
Beyonce Jay-Z wrote it once upon a time. Okay, so go to this. Stop, drop and roll.
Early in
Stop,
the
drop and
morning.
roll. Stop, drop and roll.
And in the evening. So,
I don't know who sung it, so I just.
okay, you're doing early in the morning. So good to stop, drop and roll. And in the evening.
It's all good to stop, drop and roll. Stop, drop and roll. Come on, drop and roll. Come on, stop, drop and roll.
Stop, drop and roll.
Okay, thank you.
It's relatable because one day there might be a fire and what you gotta do is stop, you gotta drop physically and you gotta roll, okay? I don't know actually, this was just a little warm up.
It's just a little warm up.
Get everybody warm.
A quick refresher, because it's important that we don't get complacent during in case there's an emergency or anything. So I think the main thing at the moment is what are you saying?
Now I'm gonna call her out for shopping online for this health and safety.
To lose my order.
You're an influencer, remember?
What's after this?
If you ever need to know what the health and safety manager's number is, Miss Monica right here is on there. 111. I heard that 911, if you call it, it will go straight to 111 because a couple of people have actually done that in New Zealand. Sponsors for any natural offering.
Any 5G.
Okay, the acronym for a fire extinguisher, if you're not sure how to use it, is called PASS, or as Americans like to say, pass, okay? If you're unsure. Does anyone know what PASS stands for?
Pull and squeeze. No.
Pull, activate,
Squeeze.
squeeze
that
squeeze.
thing. Sausage.
What?
You've got two. Squeeze sausage. You got two.
That's disgusting.
You squeeze it, okay? And then you sweep it.
I would have died.
Okay, here you go, Amanda. Show us an example.
So you find the fire, you pull, you aim, you squeeze, and then you
Sweep.
Really like your sweeping action.
There's a fire on the roof.
Aim. Sweep.
Hey!
Just those who are getting smart.
Just those two.
Just kidding.
45 minutes ago, we did our briefing.
Where did he go?
Just laughing.
So Taylor, how long has it been since our health and safety? Back at it again, Vila.
We're back.
Hello. I'm the number one.
Hey guys, welcome to 10 Minute Talks. Today we're here with Beyonce.
I like Nicki Minaj.
Hey, we're here with Nicki Minaj.
Nicki Minaj.
Oh no, it's okay.
I don't think I do very well with the podcast, but I'll film these. No.
Wow. Thea, can you tell us a little bit about your lash lift?
It wasn't a lash lift. They're fake extensions that are stuck on my little itty bitty lashes.
You're like, wow.
That's so funny.
Alright guys.
And break.
What do we have, Taylor?
My Whānau. What am I?
And chicken honey.
Yum.
Take smell.
I'm a cheating cat.
I didn't have any pudding. Oh. And then I think we all had a fry bread each.
Alright, I'm going to break, Andy. You've got timing sitting on the table.
You get out of it, Sam. So excited. This is you.
E tātou whakapangi nei kai hara ngā mātou tinana, ka ngā hoka mātou waro, ka whakara te ora ka ihu kai so mātou kaipakora, ake,
That's so good. I'm pretty sure you aren't going to eat all that bola.